guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be doing another wig install, but this video is sponsored by Megalook here. I've worked with them before. I think they sent me a ginger wig before and it was A1, so I am very much excited to do another collab with them. So, this is the box that the wig came in. They gave me some lashes, cute and all. I think I got 2 lashes. They're probably the, yeah, so I got 2 lashes and I think they are the same style. Yeah, they're the same style, so yeah. Then they sent me this little pouch with, let me put this right here. So they sent me in the pouch some clips, a scarf that I could use to tie my edges down, baby hair combs, and stocking cap, which I don't need right now because I have one on my head. So let me just quickly show you guys the wig. Okay, I went ahead and I added the patches to the side because, you know, it's a little trend that's happening right now, so why not hop on? But the wig was originally, well, it still is, so you can see the back part of the wig. This is this natural curl. I think this is a deep wave curl. I don't remember, but I'll put it in the description box. The links to everything will be in the description box, but I do remember that it is 22 inches and this is how it looks. I did go ahead, I just literally just bleached the sides and then added electric lime green to it, and that's it. That's all I did, and this is how it came out. So yeah, I am going to show you guys how the inside of the wig is looking. So this is the inside of the wig. This is how it looks. I already did my customization, so I bleached it and I plucked it. It is a transparent lace, not HD but transparent. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly do my little install, and anything else I have to say to you guys I'll probably just do a voiceover. But yeah, let's just jump into the video. Oh yeah, you guys, I didn't realize that I didn't mention what brand dye it was. It was the Adore dye, so Adore Electric Lime Green. That was the color that I used. Also, what was I gonna say? So yeah, I realized that after I should have probably brought up the green a little bit more, like closer to the parting space. I keep on forgetting that when the wig gets on my head, like there's a lot that's going to be cut off, so don't do it too much towards like the ear part, because most of that part is going to cut off. So when you're customizing, if you're going to do like patches like these, do it closer to, like, I guess your temple. Do closer to that, because you will color your, like, the sides, and by the time you're done cutting off the lace to make sure it fits your head size, then you might end up cutting off like all the color, and you don't want that. So yeah, just a tip. So I am just plucking out a little bit more out of this part that I will be using, this section that I'll be using for my baby hairs, because I want it to be thick, yes, but not too thick where it's unrealistic. You know what I'm saying? Like, people don't really have such thick baby hairs, and even though it's a wig, like, I still want it to look as natural as possible. So that's why I went ahead and kind of plucked out a little bit of the side part right there. I think my favorite parts about wigs are the baby hairs, because like you could do so many different styles with your baby hairs. Like, you could literally just do whatever you're like comfortable with, or whatever you feel like trying, to be honest. Like, just have fun when you're doing your hair. Like, don't stay in the box, and like, it's not every time you need to play it safe, okay? Just try to do what you feel like sometimes, and trust me, you'll be fine. But for these baby hairs, like, I love them. They were cute. They were not too much, but you know, I still did the little swirly thing like at the middle, just because it's curly hair, and curly hair looks nice with like swirls and stuff. So yeah, I loved it. But for the middle part, I use edge control, and then on the sides I just use the got to be spray, and then I think I'm gonna go back in with my mousse to put over it again, so it's not like white, because sometimes the got to be spray, it leaves it like trashy and white. So to kind of reduce all of that, I just use my mousse, and my mousse kind of takes away the trashiness and the flakiness of it. So yeah, I love this hairstyle. I did. this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would like to thank Megalook here for sponsoring this video. Honestly guys, I absolutely love this hairstyle. I just feel like I wished I had actually started the green like from here, like, you know, up more. But if anything, I feel like I'm gonna go back in, like after I take it off, I'm probably gonna go back in and put the green up a little bit more. Like the little peekaboo effect that it's giving is, it's good, but I just feel like it would have been way better if it was a little bit more, like, you know, more green was there. But either way, I feel like this hairstyle did come out cute. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.